Y epalagunok ongi etorri lasto txapelen. En fin, hau eta gertzen zait, beraz, kasu handurik ez egin. Ongi etorri Red Dead Redemption honetara, ongi etorri lasto txapelen kanalera. Benetan partida ze aurretik, mi esker nire jarraitzaileak zaureten guztioi, euskaraz dakizunoi eta ez dakizunoi ere, eta, bueno, zuek gabe kanal hau ez litzateke berdina izango, eta beraz joango gara hemen dakekin. Zer nahi duen, a ver. Datzekin. Kaixo Datz.
Of course I'm sweating. We're in some disease-ridden, swampy, Dixie-whistling shithole.
I meant about what Trelawney said about these bounty
Well,
hunters.
not sweating as such, but maybe a little gentle perspiration. Until we know more, ain't too much harm in wasting good liquor on sweating.
So?
So, I think you should pay Mr. Trelawney a visit and find out exactly what he knows and who he spoke to. Take Charles with you. Oh, the sight of the pair of you would make a statue sing out its secrets.
Okay. Hi, folks.
Oh, you're gonna catch your death if you don't get warmer clothes.
Smile. Things could be worse.
I'll smile when I got reason to.
Hala, guazen. Datz, izerretan bazodeta hor dago ebai polit bat, bainu bat hartzeko eta bar.
Yes.
Yes, morning.
Charles.
Charles, I need you for some business in town.
Eta punto pelota.
Okay. Okay there, boy.
Eta horretaz aparte, emango dugu jaten. Trelaulira, uste dut hau zonalde berria dela.
Where are we going? Dutch wants us to have a talk
Trelawney.
with Trelawney about these bounty hunters who are coming for us. Hoping he can tell us who they are or where they're coming from.
Okay. And you're deputies now.
Something like that. Soon as we laid eyes on that fool of a sheriff who runs that town, I knew Dutch was gonna play him like a fiddle.
On the run from one bunch of lawmen, working for another. Interesting.
Hiding in plain sight, Dutch calls it.
So, spirits seem good. In the new camp, I mean.
We got some space between us and that mess now. Ain't seen no more Pinkertons for a while. There's these bounty hunters, of course, but Dutch don't seem too worried about it.
Can't believe they're still coming after us. We didn't even get away with the money.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Of course. Trelawney. I've only met him a couple times, but he's a strange one.
Fear not. He's just a cockroach in fancy breeches. But he gets into nooks and crannies the rest of us can't. We just need to find him before he scurries off again.
Goazen Trelaulioren bila. Ia zein predikzio duen gaurko partidarentzat. Itzagon apur bat. Galde uste dut orain hobeto gongo naizela. Eta ez ditugu erabiliko, printzipioz.
I think it's just up here. Whoa.
Someone got here first.
So it seems.
By the looks of things, it wasn't a social call.
Check the house.
Zer dago hemen.
Touched. Looks like he left in a hurry.
A ver.
You see anything there? Found anything?
Zer dago.
Bed's not made, so he must have been here recently. There's some blood here. That ain't good.
Kendu erditik.
Big struggle. Pretty recently, I'd say. I guess maybe 12 hours ago?
But nobody.
Right.
Not yet. Look. Tracks. Come on. We should get going.
Bagian bai. Goazen gora.
They went down the path here. How's your tracking? Days.
All right, I guess.
Well, lead the way then.
Not the kind of place I'd expect to see Trelawney staying in.
No?
Normally scams himself into the best hotel in town.
Hey, I can see more tracks this way.
Hortik joan delako.
They continue on the other side of the tracks. Whoa!
Hemen Walker Texas Ranger dirudigu.
Huh. They seem to head into the now.
Baina utzi sart.
Hey, look. Let's go see what those fellas have to say. Yeah.
Hey, get back on your horse.
Excuse me. Yeah. Have you seen him? We're looking for our friend.
I don't think he's here.
You you seen a strange sort of feller? Sort of formal?
Strange? Sure. Formal? Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a lot like this one.
All right, you two. Where the hell is he? You both better get out of here. Come here.
A ver. Venga, kapela kendu didazu.
You stay there.
Lehenengo lapurtuko diogu.
Where is Trelawney? I don't know anything. Tell me where he is. You go to hell. You better tell me now, you son of a bitch.
Okay, for Christ's sake. They took him to a cabin over by the cornfields.
Which cornfields?
Left. Down the path there by Braithwaite Manor.
Agur. Hori laguna
All right. That should do it.
lapurtzeagatik.
Come on, let's go.
Follow me. I think there's a way around so we don't have to go through the Braithwaite's place.
Yes. I've spent enough time there. After you, then.
Indio jarrak.
You okay?
I'm good.
What do you think they want with Trelawney?
Izen apur bat barragarria dela esan daitezke.
Just depends.
Indioen oiarrak, indio jarrak. Eta punto pelota.
They'll talk?
Of course he'll talk. He'd sell his own sister to save a train fare. He don't know how not to talk. He don't know where we're holed up.
Lag apur bat badaukagu, baina gain egingo diogu.
I don't know why Dutch still deals with him. Always disappearing for weeks on end.
He's got his uses. And, well, loyalty matters to Dutch.
Of course. But is Trelawney loyal?
Kind of. I guess Trelawney ain't exactly disloyal. Just got a big mouth. Don't worry. If he talked, I'll goddamn find out what he said.
Vale, goazen.
Nothing's ever straightforward where Trelawney's involved. Learned that much.
I mean, how much time have we wasted getting this fool out of trouble?
He somehow manages to be both lucky and unlucky at the same time.
That's one way of looking at it.
But he always finds some way to pay us back. Just when we think about cutting him loose, he brings us something big. I guess that's his special talent, keeping fish on the line.
Vale. Vale, ez du gehiago hitz egin nahi. Hemen hartua dagoen zonaldea. Beraz, susurrun ez luke egon behar. Agian hango etxe txiki hori izan daiteke. Agian bai, agian ez.
That must be it.
Whoa.
Let's get you out of here. Come on, boy.
The thing is, after that shack, this will be remembered like a good time.
Put the man down, gentlemen. That the lot of them?
I think so.
So you're alive.
Allegedly.
Well, don't worry, they won't be for much
Look,
longer.
go get them, Arthur. I can handle this.
Don't let him get away. Could have told him anything.
They've gone into the cornfields. We need to flush them out. Over there, where the birds are.
Where the hell are
We need to find these bastards.
Where are you?
They're gonna get away. Let's find them.
I will find you, bastards! You're making a big mistake! God damn these sons of bitches.
I think I heard something this way.
Ah! Ah! Oh, brother. Come on, you cowards!
Did you see those birds?
You sons of bitches! You're mine now!
Barely hit them.
Where the hell are they?
Look at the birds. Go that way.
We know who you are, and we're coming for you! God damn these sons of bitches.
Come on, where are they?
Hemet ni gertu egon beharko litzateke.
You and your friend up there! Where the hell are they?
Vale, bat falta da.
Get the hell out of here while you still can!
Baino ez dut ikusten.
Damn these sons of bitches. Come on! We got one more, Charles!
Over there, where the birds are. Hey, I see something on the ground over here. He's dumped his gear. Look around. He can't have gone far.
He's mine! Let me take him and get out of here.
You have my friend.
He's not your friend. I'll give you money.
Hala.
Come on.
Itxaron.
You should have taken the money.
I know. I'm a fool.
A ver.
Shit! Thank you. The gunshot! The gunshots are coming from that... I got you now! You can go to hell! God damn you!
He's backing off inside! Get
Let's go back for Trelawney. You alright?
Yeah. Never goes easy, does it?
Sure don't. Come on. Let's go see how badly they beat up the slippery feller.
I wonder how much trouble he's brought with him.
Bueno, guazen
guess we'll
berriro
soon
bueltan.
find out.
Seems like we can't catch a break now, Arthur.
Our luck's held this long. We got out of worse scrapes than this one.
So I heard.
Sure. What's government agents and bounty
Bueno,
hunters
guazen
do?
gorrika.
I hope you're right.
Trelawneyren gana edo deitzen den pertsona horren gana.
Mr. Trelawney, where are you?
Over here, dear boy.
Well, he's still here at least. Put your feet up, why don't you? You okay?
Never finer.
So, who was
Bueno,
that?
ongi.
They were bounty hunter. Attached to Cole Stoudemire.
Okay.
They weren't looking for me, per se.
What you tell him?
Not much. I told them I was an intellectual. Come down here from Oregon, looking for a job at the university. Of course, they didn't believe me. Seems
Normal.
you stirred up quite a hornet's nest in Blackwater.
So I keep hearing.
It might be best if I stay with you, gentlemen, for a while. Can't go back to that caravan now.
All right, Charles. You take Trelawney back to camp. I'll catch up with you.
Okay.
Vale. Eta gunera joango gara, Arthur.
Bounty hunters, Pinkerton's lawmen. Everywhere we go, more and more civilization. Perhaps this is it from now on. We shall see, I guess.
Vale, non gaude. Rodesen. Mika edo Josia Trelawney. Vale. Ba, joango gara Trelawney dagoen tokira.
I'm looking for my mate Gavin.
A ber. Orain zuen lagun hori berdin zait.
Somebody help me. Gav? Gav?
Zerengo jarretuko dugu historia printzipalarekin. Eta agian gero etorriko gara, ona edo agian ez. Ikusiko dugu. Hori bai, kriston lainopea dago hemen. Lagoaz emanka aurrera. Euri egon da, ikusten duzen moduan hor. Lokatza dagoela. pista, zer nahi duen Trilauli ende honek. Hemen bedigo galdera, nor dijoan hemen. Edo agian gaur ez. Ez dut ez da erantzungo. Bai, hemen dago.
Why?
Well, I know you think I'm just some effete buffoon.
What?
A man of words and not of action. Hardly a man at all.
Well, I think you're as slippery as an eel in an oil slick, but still a man.
Because I think I've found something interesting.
Yeah?
Have you ever robbed a stagecoach?
No, never. Why, who would have even thought? Of course I robbed a goddamn stagecoach. You know I have.
And what's the problem with stagecoaches?
The armed man attempting to put a bullet in your head?
Not quite. The odds. I mean, is it worth the robbing?
Sometimes.
I know. But, well, if you'd like to come with me, I can introduce you to a new best friend, and he's going to give you all the decent, robbable stagecoaches a hot-blooded degenerate could require.
Well, I could require a whole lot.
Ai, txartoterako da. Ia da hori ez da nire esaldia. Hau bai.
So where do we find this friend of yours?
Roads!
Because what can possibly go wrong there?
Well, lead the way and we'll find out.
Ah, karo, ni bete aurretik.
You sure seem to have got about around here.
You know me. I like to make friends in low places.
How the hell you end up down here anyway?
I could ask the same of you. I have a few commitments over this way. Some expenses to meet.
Expenses? What expenses? Gentlemen's canes and rabbits to pull out of hats?
Among other things, I had quite a nice little business going for a while. Shares in a gold mining company. Excellent returns for the investor of a certain financial standing. Until, well, that unfortunate run-in with the law.
Yeah, that's how it goes. Thanks for disappearing on us during that Sean business, by the way.
I'd done my part. Each to their strengths, dear boy.
Ja, zure ies egitea.
You know, you boys should really watch yourselves with those two families. This is a small town. People talk. I tried to mention it to Hosea, but you know how he is. Anyway, while they're off chasing their pot of Confederate gold hidden at the end of some rainbow, let me present you with something real.
So, where exactly are we going?
The train station. The clerk there, Alden, is quite a fellow. Very informed on the comings and goings of coaches round these parts.
Ah, I see.
A ver si den plana.
We can hitch up outside. I'll make the introductions, Arthur.
Ah, vale. Hor dagoela.
What?
Vale, lotuko dugu saldia.
Hang back a bit and let me do the talking. We don't want to scare him off.
Ea ze gertatzen den.
Well, there it is.
Yep, that's the word. Hello, Alden.
Hello, Josiah. How have you been?
Dandy. And you, friend?
Like I said, times are tough. My missus is a bad woman. Terrible woman.
They
Hola.
often are. But how's work, Alden?
Terrible. Wages got cut again. They reckon they just invented a new horseless carriage will be the end of us.
They've been saying that nonsense since they invented the wheel. The wickedness of bosses.
I know. My comrades here and I are greatly discouraged from the adequate fulfillment of our duty.
A discouraged man is no man at all, Alden. No man at all. My friend Arthur here has a present for you.
Ain't you kind, sir?
Call him Arthur. He's one of us. Fellow
Ala.
man of distinction.
Okay. Well, this is perfect timing. I think you'll like this one, Josiah. It'll be coming south down the river road through Siltwater Strand.
Thank you, Alden. Thank you very much.
Senxangakotzat.
Oh, and Josiah, if you or Arthur are ever out Strawberry Way, ask for my colleague there. Feller called Hector. He's also one of the... What did you call us again?
Discouraged men, Alden.
That's it. Discouraged men. I like that.
Well, goodbye, Alden, or should I say, adieu.
Oh, adieu, Josiah.
Vale.
What the hell was that?
I thought you might like to. Do that pantomime.
River Road through Siltwater Strand, he said.
Okay. I think I know a good spot to wait. Follow me.
Time to go, boy.
Okay, let's go. This way.
Hala, guazen. Rodez kanpoan denez beharrezkorik gabe.
Simple as can be. Seems a lot of the station workers are in on it these days. Earning a pittance, the unions are whipping them up, so they want something on the side. Like he said, there, Strawberry. Could create a lot of opportunities for a man in your line of work.
I ain't sure about going back to Strawberry after all that Micah business.
Didn't sound like you left anyone alive to recognize you, so I wouldn't worry too much, dear boy. All this trouble. You gentlemen are becoming quite the celebrities, aren't you? Soon you'll be on the front of a dime novel. And dead, of course.
We're hoping to be long gone before that. Dutch has a plan.
If anything goes wrong, let's meet back here at this crossroad, okay?
All right.
A ver. Tren bat ez bada ze izango da.
Okay, this should do.
Sure. Here.
I'm hoping we won't need those.
Better safe than sorry. What were you thinking?
Well, according to this, the loot is located in a strongbox, which is in the back. I'll put on a little performance, and you can scurry around, open the strongbox, and relieve them of their goodies.
And how do I open the strong box without threatening someone to open it for me.
This should work.
And I can do this
Vale.
silently?
Well, I'm hoping complete silence won't be necessary. But you're going to wish you had your earplugs. This is Damson. Oh, very good, Alden, very good. Of course, if anything goes wrong, you can wave your guns around like you normally do. Hold tight. They'll be here soon.
Orduan ate barko ditut, ez?
There it is. Right on time. Let's go. Keep your distance so they don't see you. And please leave that gun in its holster for once.
Oh, beiak.
I'll ride ahead and get the coach to stop. You hang back. Don't let them spot you or you'll scupper the whole thing. Hello. I hope you don't mind my singing.
Not at all.
I'm prepared.
It's a free country.
Oh,
Did you say a show?
it's a small benefit. It's Blackwater. Just
Mrs. Chester Damson.
I flatter.
Stop the coach, my good man! Stop the coach!
Whoa! Miss Damson, why did you stop singing?
The New York audience, they were rather cruel.
New Yorkers are prigs and fools who believe Westerners don't know anything about culture.
I couldn't agree more.
Could you? It's such a small show, but would you sing something for me? I'm looking for Susan Brown.
I don't know.
Miss Damson, you owe it to West Elizabeth.
You grido lasci far, non lasciar perdir. Ti grido e trio. Grido lasci far, non lasciar perdir. Ti grido
Madam, I've heard enough. Might I have your card?
Back to you, pal. You all right, boy?
Lehenengo mimoak emango dizkiogu salditzoari.
Nicely done, Arthur. A little finesse for one. Well done, sir. Well done.
It was easy. You did all the work.
Teamwork, my dear boy. Teamwork.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, jolly good. Go see Alden from time to time. See you soon, Arthur.
Come on now, boy.
Horrengoz itzuliko gara kanpalekura eta hor amaituko da zuzenekoa.
Hold up there, folks. Hey, move out.
Guazen. Oso urrun ez litzateke egon beharko kanpalekua. Vale, pizkanaka. Horrela apur bat garbitzen gara ere bai.
You're back?
Hey, Abigail.
Ba, bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena. Espero dut gustokoa esan zaizuela, hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.